Hello, this is my review of my 6 favorite apps and Web 2.0 tools. So on your screen you see Kathy Schrock's Guide to Everything site, and this is where I started my search of apps. And I love this site because it's broken down into Bloom's revised taxonomy. And the first section is iPad apps. And the second section is Android apps, and the last section is online tools. That's where I began my research. So creating is at the top of the taxonomy list, and I went with Canva, which is a graphic design creator. This app is available both in the App Store as well as Google Play for Android devices. This has I was drawn to this because it could be used to make flyers, and I thought that that would be a good application for social studies for my students making presentations. And this is a screenshot of what it looks like. You do not need to have any design expertise, so I personally would love this to make it simple for me. So like I said, it's available on iPad. It is also available on iPhone, and you can create and send your designs, and you do not have to have special software for this. So I thought that this would be very easy to use in the classroom as well as at home. The second app that I am reviewing is called Annotate. Annotate is available in the Apple Store as well as Google Play. The great thing about Annotate is that you can use pictures that you have on your phone or that you have recently taken, and you can put text over it, you can put emojis on it, you can put stickers on it, you can draw arrows on the picture and create labels. I thought that this would be great to use in a geometry unit, for instance, and let students go around the school and take pictures of different objects and then use the drawing tool on it to indicate different polygons and lines and rays and angles and stuff like that. So this is definitely one that I'm going to put on my iPad at school and let my kids give it a try. I downloaded it onto my phone, and it was very easy to use. And here are a couple screenshots for the iPad that give you an example of what it would look like in Annotate. So this would be a photograph of something that you had on your phone. Here's a photograph of a document that you have. Look at this, is great. You forgot to sign. That would be great to use. And then this is what gave me the geometry idea, because you can take pictures and then you can annotate directly on the picture. That's why I like this app. The third app that I'm reviewing is called Animoto, and this is a slideshow maker. And this is available on the App Store as well as Google Play. This is another application that you can use with photos, but it turns it into a movie. So you could select up to 20 different photos and create a movie. So this would be great for storytelling. This would be great if you had a few pages of problem solving and you wanted to make a movie of it. If you have, there's many different applications for this application. The fourth app I'm reviewing is called Clips, and it also is a way to use your photos and turn it into a video. You can add filters, emojis, animated stickers, and this one also has stickers from Disney, Pixar, Star Wars, etc. You can turn your speech, so when you're talking, it turns into an animated title and a caption. And I'll show you some screenshots. So you can speak into the app, and it'll create this caption for you. So I thought that would be fun for my students to use. And my fifth app review is Anchor. Anchor FM Inc. is the developer, and this is a podcasting application available on iPhone and iPad. And here are what it would look like as a screenshot on the iPhone, and here as on the iPad. This lets you create and host different episodes of your own show. It's free. I think kids could use this in social studies or in science. They could also use this when doing a character analysis in language arts. So I think that this would be very useful to use for my students. And my sixth app that I am reviewing is called Geoboard, and it is by the Math Learning Center, and it is free. It's available on iPhone and iPad. And the reason I chose this is because I'm a math teacher, and I think that this would be great to have in a math station. You could have some laptops set up. You could also have this on your interactive whiteboard, which is how I am planning on using it. And it's really fun because it has multiple color rubber bands. Then you click on the rubber band and you choose it, and you can create different shapes. And you can also find area, and you could use it to find perimeter. You could use it to create angles and lines and rays and stuff like that. So it would be great for geometry. So that's my review of all 6 apps. Thanks for watching.